ride back via tuk-tuk.
What?
No, keep going. I'm talking to camera.
Okay. Have you been to Palace? No, been Big Palace.
Ah. How much does it cost to go inside Palace?
First Palace, after come back it's Silver Guest House.
No, I mean how much admission to get Palace? Entry.
50 rupees.
The Palace? That's it? I'll have to go there sometime. That's New Palace, yeah? Okay. I want to see if I can give you, the viewer, some of these same butt-clenching moments of sheer panic that I have in these things. One hand for the camera, one hand to hold on. Public park.
Where is from?
America.
America.
Yep.
Who's Obama? Yeah?
What?
Who's Obama?
Obama. Ah, yeah. I have not met him yet.
Good.
Okay.
I think.
I have no idea. Speed bumps hurt. Almost got him. No. What's up, kids? Every time we hit a big bump, my butt hits, then my head hits. Awesome. And I'm not sure if you can see just how narrow these streets are, but it's pretty much, yeah, we're having to stop for another tuk-tuk to go by. That's how narrow. So the good thing is, you don't get a lot of cars here. Propane. Status symbol. It's funny because cars are the big status symbol here, but they're too big to actually drive in the street. The bigger the car, the more status. Unfortunately, the bigger the car, the more scratched up it gets by everything else. So, it's something the size of tuk-tuks is about the biggest thing you want to actually have on the streets here. Woohoo! We're living still. We're still alive. Almost. Pretty typical ride. Where's the clock?
Backside to you.
Ah, okay, cool.